Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Health is one thing that we need the most in our life. To be healthy is priceless. 2020 COVID-19 outbreak has changed our lives. We now have to adapt to the new normal. We need to wear masks, practice social distancing, and wash our hands frequently to help us stay away from the virus. My thought and my prayers goes to all the families who lost their loved ones. May they all rest in peace. This pandemic makes us realize that health is very important. Being healthy, we can be productive. We can study, do sports, and many activities happily. I will not be able to do my homework when I'm ill. I will not be able to ride my bike when I'm sick. I will stay in bed all day long. I don't want to be sick. I want to be active every day. To be healthy, I need to eat healthy food. To be healthy, I need to exercise regularly. I love sports. I love rock climbing. Someday I want to be a rock climbing athlete. To stay healthy, I jog every week with my dad and my sister. I practice rock climbing twice a week. I can do push-ups, sit-ups, and yoga. Exercising is fun. You can still have some fun to get healthy. So, let me ask you all to exercise regularly. Exercise is good for you. Put down your phone, turn off your TV, start moving. If possible, ask your mom or dad to walk outside with you every Sunday morning. If not, riding your bike with them is even more fun. Sunday morning ride with family. Nothing beats that. You may get sweaty, but don't worry. That's good. Let's be healthy and be happy. From SDN Wonorejo 274 Surabaya, my name is Ranim Saluang. Wassalamualaikum